I'm back. And I did my slap and folds as I told you I would do, 3 sets, and then I took I cut the dough into 2 balls like this, and I put them each in their separate container because they expand a lot, and if you don't put them in a separate container, they're gonna end up running together and sticking together. So it ended up being about actually about 398 per ball grams. Now I have a ball here. I'm going to make a pepperoni a pizza with the dough. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it directly on this non-stick pan. And I'm anticipating it's going to take about 28 minutes, give or take, to cook at 425 on the oven. We'll see. Now what I'm going to do, this is real sticky dough, but I want to emphasize that it's cold right out of the refrigerator. I found in the past, if I take the dough out and I let it warm up, it gets so sticky that it's just it becomes impossible to form, because what it does is it just becomes goopy, and you know, try to when I used to try to move it on the peel and everything, it would fall apart, and it was just ridiculous. So what I have learned, and I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm getting this semi-stretched out before I transfer it on here on this non-stick pan that is limited to 450 degrees. I don't know if I mentioned that. I had to press the manufacturer to find that out before it'll damage the non-stick coating. That's why I can't cook this pizza at like 500 degrees like I would like to. So it's just going to take more time. That's all I can tell you. Now I am trying to form this before I transfer it close to at least to the 12-inch pizza. This 400 grams of dough per pizza is just about enough for a 12-inch pizza. So that's the direction I'm going in here. Now I've got a lot of flour here as I try to, get this somewhere close to a 12-inch pizza. My goal is to mostly have it big enough to put on that pan, set it on this is semolina flour and bread flour. It's a 50-50, which the professionals use for the bottom of their pizzas, So learned that from somebody else's video, so it's kind of interesting. So I'm getting there. I've got this little job here that you can use. It pokes little holes So it just helps so the pizza doesn't form huge bubbles. I'm getting really ready to transfer this over. Looking very good, really. Okay, watch this. Oh, that worked pretty sweet. And it's by the way, I have this underneath. It's catching it's catching the semolina flour that's going through those holes in this pan, right? Look at this. This is looking pretty good, isn't it? You can all see that, right? It's so weird because you stretch this dough out and it so wants to just pull right back. But that's just going to be no holes in it or anything. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and move this around, soaking up. I'm pretty sure this is not going to stick. If I could just get it to stay there when I stretch it. I think that's about as good as I'm going to get it. There's my pizza. Looks pretty good. I preheated my oven. I'm going to roll my kitchen portable kitchen deal completely out of the way so that I can I'll be able to get right to that oven and open it up and put it in there. Gotta grab my pizza sauce here. So the first thing, obviously, pizza sauce. You notice there's really no mess going on here, and that's the whole idea of the new pizza is pizza with no mess. Oh my, this is just working so good. I am pretty proud of this. Pizza method. I had this pizza sauce was left over, and it's pretty much going to take the whole kahuna of what's left here. Yeah, perfect. Get it right to the edge, and then make my nice little pizza sauce edge, and then I'll smooth it out. Here we go. Smooth that sucker out. Come on now, this is looking like your professional pizzas. And I'm gonna try to cook at 28 minutes, and it could be adjusted a little bit, but that's the goal, is about 28 minutes. Well, let's see, let's see how accurate that's gonna be. Okay. A little bit of a bare spot there on sauce. I gotta drag this over. Now, getting it smooth is not as easy as it looks. But oh heck, that's pretty good. Now I pre-weighed my mozzarella cheese to 225 grams of cheese. I'm hoping I'm not putting my arm in front of the view. It's harder than you think to not step in front of the camera. But, you know. Boy, that's looking just perfect. Nice amount of cheese. Gonna be nice and cheesy. So 225 grams. Works pretty good for a 12-inch size pizza, I think. And then this is a pepperoni black olive and pepperoni. I got a whole can. It's about 2.25 ounces of black olives, which is yeah, I like the black olives, so I'm loading them up, baby. Just trying to get a pretty fair spread of black olives, and you know that looks pretty good. You go to your pizza parlor, you know, those guys making the pizzas, that's what they do. Okay, pepperoni. Gonna just try to do what's required here. Here, I don't want to put my arm in front of the view again. I've been guilty of that in the past, like stepping right in front of the camera, or putting my arm right in front of the camera when I'm doing something, you know. Drive me crazy. But like I say, it's harder than you think not to. Anyway, hopefully I've got the camera right where it needs to be, where I'm recording what's going on and not recording the back of my back or something crazy like that. Well, my pepperoni is just about, you know, ideal. Okay, oven pre-warmed. Pizza gonna go in the oven. Then I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'm gonna come back when it's done. I'll tell you exactly how long it took, and we'll see how easy it is to get it off of this non-stick pan when it's done. But come on, that's looking like pretty good pizza. Putting it on the low bottom shelf. Gonna set my timer. Oh shoot. Now that's 28. Oh my God, I don't believe this. There we go. 28. Okay, I did want to mention, if I didn't, that after I did these, you can either stretch and fold or slap and fold, and put the 400 gram pizza balls in their individual containers. I did keep it to cold ferment for 2 days in the refrigerator. Not sure I mentioned that, but that's kind of an important thing. And again, take it out cold and work it cold like I demonstrated. The timer just went off to the 28 minutes. So here we go. Oven open. Here's what it looks like as I pull it out. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Did you see that? Did you see that? Just slid right off. Okay. That works awesome. That put in that semolina, half semolina, and oh my, I gotta turn this oven off. Put in the half semolina and the half bread flour on the bottom. Oh my God, that, I mean, you saw, it just rolled right off of that non-stick pan. Okay, I don't need my gloves anymore. This is not hot. And I want to bring it over here. Yeah, right there. Let's see, right there where you can see it. And then I'm gonna cut this pizza, you know, according to the clock, about right there. Oh boy, a little bit of crunch, but not too crunchy. I think that's going to be ideal. Let's see, and then I go across this way, like this. Yeah, like, just eyeballing it here. And then across this way. Now, before I go too much farther, I want to snap a quick photo of that and put it on the video. Yeah. Here it is. Got it. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the video, except I got to give it the old taste test. Let's see. I hope you all will subscribe to my channel. I mostly do the probiotic yogurt, but I throw in, you know, a little bit of interest for some of you people that like to do some homemade cooking, and you know what the ingredients are in there and all of that good stuff. You know. Okay, so this gourmetly rocker cutter, look how nice that works on this round pizza stone to cut the pizza. Pretty good, huh? So, drop that in the sink. Now I hope this is not too hot that I can't eat it. And on the bottom, there's a little bit of flour, but not too much. And oh man, Now, I hate to be humble, but well, I be humble. You try this pizza, this dough, with this cook method, you not only will not have any mess, but you're gonna have great pizza. Okay, give this one a try. I really outdid myself this time. This is Go Ask Kit. Don't forget to go ask Kit about the yogurt and the pizza if you want, or anything else. Okay, out.